الرحمن الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can everyone hear me loud and clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Just 1 second, I just want to check. Right, I need someone to recap for me what we covered last lesson. So who is able to recap for me? Anyone?
So we did the use of lam
Yep,
and la and lan. A little
correct,
bit static lan also.
correct. So,
When the
so
lam is
yep,
used, then the last fatha dhamma is cancelled
yep.
and becomes sakin. So
So give
like
me
for example, lam yadrib.
lam yadrib, okay?
Yeah, like he did not hit. So the way you said it becomes like in the past also.
Excellent.
He
It
did
changes
not,
from present tense to past tense, correct?
yes. And
And
then you said like if it is la, then again the same thing happens. La yadrib, but the meaning is don't hit.
correct. And also, what happens to the dual from yadribani when lam comes? What happens to the noon? And
The noon goes. So it's lam yadriba,
and in yadribuna and
lam yadribu.
what about the plural females? Yadribna and
Yeah,
tadribna. They all females hit and you all
yeah,
females hit.
yeah. Those remain. The noon remains there.
Excellent, excellent. Perfect. And the meaning of la when it
You
comes
said he should not hit, right?
yeah. So
So
it's
I thought it was a command like
yes,
don't.
it's absolutely it's a prohibition or a nahi itself, which is commanding someone to abstain. That's perfect. And then we have
Then we had the lun,
yep,
and in the lun you said that becomes a fatha at the end.
excellent.
So
Where does it take the fatha? Which forms of the verb does it take fatha?
it's like a future form.
Correct.
So lan yadriba. That means you will not even do that in the future. You'll not hit in the future.
Correct. Right. So what's the difference between with regards to the verb conjugation of lam yadrib and lan yadriba, and what happens to the dual and the plural masculines?
So the others stay the same way, like lan yadriba, lan yadribu.
Excellent.
But as far as the first verb is concerned, the first person, it's not a sakin at that it takes a fatha.
Perfect. That's perfect that you explained it. Thank you. Sister Narjis, was you here that's not last week, the week before? Was you there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
No, unfortunately, I wasn't able to join since I had classes.
Yep. Did you listen to the recording?
Yeah, I did the last week, but the last week I wasn't able to listen. I was
Okay.
a bit busy.
Okay, that's fair enough. Just listen to the recording and inshallah, what we've done, we're pretty much repeating and inshallah we'll catch up. Okay, Sister Sajda. Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. So, explain to me lam. So lam yaftah, what's happening to here? And explain, go for all the 14 forms to a person who does not know what lam does to the present tense verb.
So the way Nazneen explained that the dhamma,
Where? Explain where is this dhamma you're talking about?
the ha,
The ha which had a
yeah,
dhamma in the present tense in yaftahu. Yep.
yeah. So here, if it will become a kasra, sorry, a sukun.
Yep.
Okay, so it's going to be lam yaftah, lam yaftaha, lam yaftahu, lam taftah, lam taftahu, lam taftaha. Sorry, lam taftah, lam taftaha, lam yaftahu. No,
Lam. So
lam
lam
yaftahna.
Correct.
Lam yaftahna. They all they all female. Lam taftah, lam taftaha, lam taftahu, lam taftahi, lam taftaha, lam taftahna.
Excellent.
Lam aftah, lam naftahu.
Naftah. Excellent. Lam naftah. Correct. So this
Naftah. It will be
lam
with
naftah.
sukun.
Correct.
Okay.
Now this is fi'l mudari majzoom. So this is called majzoom. And when in the singular verb lan comes, that's called fi'l mudari mansoob. And when it takes a dhamma, it's called fi'l mudari marfu. Marfu.
Remembering these terminologies is so difficult. Like,
No problem. I'll repeat 1,000 times. We'll get through it, and that's not an issue. Now, lan. Lan is future negation, and the singular verb takes a fatha. Can you go for all of the 14 forms of lan? He shall never open.
lan, okay. Lan yaftaha, lan yaftaha,
Excellent.
lan yaftahu, lan taftaha, lan taftaha, lan yaftaha,
Lan
yaftahu, lam
yaftahna.
yaftahna.
Correct. That is the same.
Yeah,
Correct.
lam yaftahna. Lam, sorry, lan taftaha, lan taftaha. Sorry, lan taftah. No, it's lan taftaha, right?
Correct.
Lan taftaha, lan taftaha, lan taftahu, lan taftahi, lan taftaha, lan taftah, lam taftahna, lan aftaha, lan naftaha.
Excellent. Perfect. Sister Mahjabin, she was not here last lesson. Is this clear for you?
Yes, Alva, it is clear. Can I try it?
Go ahead. I will give you this one here. Lam.
Lam, right?
Let's do this one here. Lam. Lam yadrib.
Lam yazrib, lam yazriba, lam yazribun, lam yazrib, lam yazrib, riba, lam yazribina,
No. So
It was lam tazrib.
sorry, lam yazri ribna, lam yazri rib, lam tazriba, lam tazribu, lam tazribi, lam tazriba,
lam.
lam tazri ribna.
Correct.
Azri, lam azrib, and lam nazrib.
Correct. And the next, fi'l mudari mansoob, when it takes a fatha in the singular and in the dual and the plurals, the noon with a kasra and noon with a fatha is dropped. Bismillah.
Yes. Bismillah. Lan yazriba, lan yazriba, lan yazribu, lan yazriba,
No, lan
lan
tadriba. Here is
lan
lan tadriba.
tazriba, yeah, lan tazriba, lan yazriba, lan yazribna, lan tazriba, lan tazriba, لن تزريب رب لن تزريب رب لن
تضربنا.
تزربنا
Correct.
لن no لن تزربنا
Correct.
لن تزرب
لن
and لن
أضرب. No, لن أضرب. I will
لن
never hit.
أضرب
And لن.
and لن تزرب.
No, نونة is not a ta, it's
Sorry,
a
ها
nun.
لن نزرب.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Right.
Can I also try?
Yeah, give me 2 seconds. I'm only going to move on with you to the next part because I'm going to do a short lesson today because of the amount of students which I've attended. So give me 2 seconds. Right, over here now. So remember, this is really important for everyone to remember. Now, these, you will see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 columns, okay? Now, all of the verbs which start with a fatha, like nasara. Yeah, everyone?
Yes.
Just change the color. So all of these ones here, all of these itself, the past tense itself, fataha, and this one here, daraba. What do you find the common theme in between all of them? Nasara, fataha, and daraba. What is the common theme?
They have 3 letters and all 3 have fatha on them.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you. Now, in regards to the present tense, you will find that different probabilities or possibilities of harakat for the middle letter of the 3 letter. Nasara is a 3 letter, but in the present tense, you have yansuru, you have daraba, yadribu, fataha, yaftahu. So you see different 3 harakat, dhamma, kasra, and fatah. Is this clear? Yes?
Yes.
Now, the next 2 possibilities is now, or the next one possibility for any verb which comes with a dhamma in the middle. So all of these 3 letters, the harakat changes is on the middle letter itself. Now, karuma, its present tense will only come of one pattern. So any verb where the middle letter has a dhamma, it has only one possibility, scale pattern for the present tense, which is yakromo. Yes, clear? So any verb, karuma, ba'uda, kabura, qaruba, it will only come the present tense yakromu. Is that clear? That's only one possibility. So there are 3 different patterns for all past and present tense verbs for a 3-letter verb. So is that clear?
Trying to.
So this is the first possible.
Please
Nasara, daraba, and fataha. These 3 verbs, their present tense can come with either with a dhamma in the middle, yansuru, daraba, it won't be robo, but it will be ribo. It's having kasra. Or fataha, yaftahu, ta is coming with a fatah itself.
Yeah.
Now, if the past tense has a dhamma in the middle, karuma, its present tense will come with a ra with a dhamma, yakromo. That's it, full stop. Yeah? Clear now? Now, any verb whose past tense comes with a kasra, middle letter comes with a kasra. Sami'a, its present tense has 2 possibilities. Either it has a fatah or either it has a kasra. Sami'a, yasma'u, or hasiba, sibu. So these are the possibilities. Only a verb where it has fatah, nasara, daraba, fatah, it has 3 possibilities of all of the three harakat, fatha, kasra, or dhamma. But if it has a kasra in the middle, it has only two possibilities for the present tense. Hasiba Samia yasma'u or hasiba yahsibu. So all three-letter verbs has 6 scales according to the harakat of past tense and present tense. Majibin, is that clear for you?
Yes, Agha, now
Yeah?
it's clear.
Okay. Now I'm going to move on. Now, because the next verb I'm going to now in the Arabic language, the minimum letters of a verb is 3. Now, do you remember I showed you karuma? Where's it gone? This one here. Remember here?
Yakrum.
Yes.
Karuma yakrumu. Because he
Yakrum.
became noble. He
Yeah.
became noble, okay?
No.
He became noble. Now, I'm going to change. Now, if you want to say that he became noble, is that he himself changed himself, yes? When you understand whether he became noble, it doesn't mean that someone else made him a noble. No, he changed himself and became noble, yes?
Yeah, yes.
The word becoming is a sign of change of state or position.
Mm.
Yeah. Now, if you want to say that someone, he gave someone, so for example, sometimes he became noble, change himself, but sometimes you give respect to someone. Someone is not honorable, someone may be rude and battamis, but you're giving them respect out of your own generosity of the person itself. So, for example, you're giving someone respect. Do you understand? So,
Yes.
sometimes person is rude, but because of, for example, maybe Shahr Ramadan, but you know that this person is really battamis, he doesn't really deserve respect, but because of Shahr Ramadan, you give him respect, or maybe because his father is a really nice person, you're giving him respect. It
Mm.
happens, correct?
Yes.
Now, when you want to show that type of meaning, you will change the verb from karuma and you will make it into a 4-letter verb. How many letter verb?
4
4.
letter.
4-letter verb. How is a 4-letter verb? So karuma is a 3-letter verb. You will change it and make it into a 4-letter verb. Akrama.
Yes.
Akrama means
Oh.
that you're giving someone else respect. Got it?
Uh-huh.
So
Yes.
akrama is a 4-letter verb. In Arabic language, you have these different 3-letter verb, you have 4-letter verb, and these 5. These 4, 5, 6-letter verbs, that they have a reason for them that they have become a 4-letter verb, because you want to convey the meaning that you're giving someone respect or you're giving someone honor itself. Okay? Now,
Yes.
when you're making a 4-letter verb from karuma to akrama, you'll find all of the 3-letter verbs we did, fataha, nasara, daraba, all of them had fatah. Yes? But in
Yes.
Okay.
akrama,
Mm.
the first letter, the kaf here, which was a fatah in the karuma, now becomes silent. It becomes
Akram.
akrama. And the four conjugate, or the conjugation of the 4-letter verb will become akrama, akrama, akramu, akramat, akramata, akramna, akramta, akramtuma, akramtum, akram. So you see here, akram. So the last letter of the 4-letter verb, meme, takes a sukoon, and it joins akram,
Na.
na. Then it conjugates all the way the same, with the mean remaining silent. Akramta, akramtuma, akramtum, akramti, akramtuma, akramtunna, akramtu, akramna. Is this
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
For example,
Yes, Agha.
Surah Mu'minun. How do you read Surah Mu'minun? Qad
Aflaha.
أفلح.
aflaha.
قد أفلح.
Qad aflah. This is a four. Is a falah. Falaha is a 3-letter verb, but you had alif in the beginning. Qad aflaha.
Yes.
Okay, and there are many other verses in the Quran. I'll give you, inshallah, once you've done this, and I'll give you the 3-letter verbs and the 4-letter verbs in the Quran, so that you understand how these verbs change meanings of the actual words itself and mean in the Arabic, in the ayats of the Quran as well. So I'm going to ask Sister Narjis to conjugate for me akrama now. Go ahead.
Akrama,
Yep,
akrama,
correct.
akramu, akramat, akramata, akramna,
Excellent.
akramta, akramtuma, akramtum, akramti, akramtuma, akramtunna,
Excellent.
Akramtu, akramna.
Excellent. Now, I'm going to ask Sister Asia. Asia, can you do the same as well?
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Bismillah.
Akram, akrama, akrama, akramu,
Correct.
akramat, akramata,
Correct.
akraman,
Akramna.
akramna, akramta, akramtuma, akramtuma,
Tum.
akramtum, akramti,
Ti.
akramtuma,
Correct.
akramtunna,
Excellent.
tu, akramna.
Excellent. Perfect. Can I ask Sister Sarah?
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Bismillah.
Sheikh,
Nassim?
sorry, can I ask you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I ask something? So we
Yeah.
don't need you to use huma, huma, hum.
So the reason
When
why
we're saying this, so when we say akrama, we've already made up our mind that this is he,
excellent.
and these are them,
Yes,
right?
absolutely. Yes. So the
Okay.
verbs itself, as I mentioned before, the verbs themselves can have a attached pronoun to them, which convey the
Okay.
meaning who they. I've written them down on the side just for you to understand in a context.
Yes.
You can't say who.
Okay.
You can't say who akrama, but if you say akrama by itself, it conveys the meaning he gave him respect.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Akrama, akrama, akramu, akramat, akramata, akramna,
Correct.
akramtuma, akramtum, akramti, akramtuma, akramtunna, akramtu, akramna.
Excellent. Can I ask Sister Mahjabeen to do this? Sister Mahjabeen, I'm going to give you aflaha, as in Surah Mu'minun. Qad aflaha.
Can I ask a question
Yes.
before that?
Go ahead, Nazreen.
So, if you say yakrumu,
Yep.
what does that mean? Like, if you want,
So I'll give you the meaning. He became so yukrimu is that he is giving him respect.
okay,
Yeah, yukrimu, he is giving him respect.
yeah, this one is like in the past tense, right? He gave him respect.
Yeah, akrama, yeah, he gave him respect, and yukrim, he is giving him respect.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yakrimu.
No, do
to read
past
this?
tense. Do the past tense. Do aflaha. Alif,
Where is
ba,
aflaha?
lam, ha.
I cannot see on the
It's
screen,
not on the
Agama.
screen. Yeah, okay, take it. Do akrama then. Because that is not
Okay.
on
Yeah, akrama, akrama, akramu, akramat, akramata, akramna, akramta, akramtuma, akramtum, akramtum, akramti, akramtuma, akramtunna, akramtu, akramna.
Excellent, excellent. So that is all of the four-letter verb. So it'll be, for example, aflaha will be aflaha, aflaha, aflahu, aflahat, aflahata, aflahna, aflahta, aflahtuma, aflahtum, aflahti, aflahtuma, aflahtunna, aflahtu, aflahna. So this is aflaha, a four-letter verb. Ashrafa, adkhala. So we in Shahr Ramadan we will say Allahumma adkhil ala ahli al-qubur. So adkhil means dakhala means to enter. Adkhil means oh Allah insert, and that's a command. Adkhil, akrim.
Yes.
Okay, adkhil means insert. Allah, you cause, make it, you cause it. Okay. Now I'm going to move on quickly forward. Now, akrama is a four-letter verb. When you do the present tense, the alif itself in the beginning, or the hamza in the beginning, is dropped. It is dropped. Now, all of the three-letter verbs where you've done them, the yas in the three-letter verbs came with a fatha. All of the three-letter verbs, the ya came with a fatha. Now, because if you look at the kaf, ra, mim, you cannot tell whether it is a three-letter verb or a four-letter verb. The only clue for it that you will know it's a four-letter verb is that the ya is coming with a dhamma. The ya is coming with a dhamma. In all of the three-letter verbs before, it had a fatha. Here it comes with a dhamma, and then it follows a kasra, yukrimu, okay?
Yes.
So this is the way you will know this is a four-letter verb, and the alif or the hamza has been dropped. So, Sister Nazrin, can you conjugate for me yukrimu's present tense, please? Yukrimu.
Yeah. Yukrimani, yukrimuna, tukrimu, tukrimani, yukrimna.
Correct.
Tukrimu, tukrimani, tukrimuna, tukrimina, tukrimani, tukrimna, ukrimu, nukrimu.
Excellent. Sister Sajda, Bismillah.
Yukrimu, yukrimani, yukrimuna, tukrimu, tukrimani, yukrimna, tukrimu, tukrimani, tukrimuna, tukrimina, tukrimani, tukrimna, ukrimu, nukrimu.
Excellent. Sister Narjis.
Yukrimu, yukrimani, yukrimuna. Tukrimu, tukrimani, yukrimna. Tukrimu, tukrimani, tukrimuna, tukrimina, tukrimani, tukrimna, ukrimu, nukrimu.
Excellent. Now, question. When we spoke about the amr on this one here, you remember when we talked about the amrs of the three-letter verbs?
Yes.
We said is made from the present tense, from taftahu, yes? Correct,
Yes.
Sister Nazneen?
Yes.
Where
yes.
are we?
Can you see on the
Where are
screen?
we?
This one here. Can you see on the screen or not?
Yuftahna.
Yeah, this one here. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Allah.
Now, no, la hawla.
Taftahu.
1 second, let me just delete this out. Color's too dark. I need to make it lighter. Okay, we said it is made from here. It's from taftahu, yes?
Yes.
Now, the thing is that this is made from taftahu. What we did, we dropped the ta. We dropped the ta.
Yes.
All of the tas, taftahu, taftahani, taftahuna, taftahina, taftana. We dropped all of the tas. And
Yes.
Yes.
when we made the command, we made the last letter in the singular verb, taftahu, the ha here, which had a dhamma, became with a sukoon, yes?
Yes.
Now, we realized that once we drop the ta in the beginning, the fa is with a sukoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the fa is with a sukoon, we had to bring hamzatul wasl here,
Wasal.
alif in the beginning. And this
Yes.
alif's harakat was dependent upon the ta. If the ta came with a fatha or a kasra, the hamzatul wasl comes with a
Kasra.
kasra, and it becomes iftah. And in the dual forms, the noon with a kasra, the noon with a fatha, the noon with a fatha again, noon with a kasra, all of these noons are removed. And it becomes iftah, iftaha, iftahu, iftahi, iftaha,
Tahna.
iftahna. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone clear?
Yes, Allah.
Okay.
Yes.
The reason why I have to explain this, because the four-letter verb, it has a exception. It has an exception, okay? That's the reason why I did this. Now, when we are making a amr for a four-letter verb, when we drop the tas, the normal procedure, when we drop the tas, tuk, remo, this ta in the beginning, all of these tas,
Ukrimu.
yeah. So when we drop this, we drop all of these tas, and we drop the noons here, these noon, that noon, this noon, and we drop this, also this meme as well. What happens is that in the past tense, there was an alif, yes? A hamza,
Yes.
akrama, yes?
Yes.
This alif, or a hamza, so it's not alif, it's a hamza, comes back in the command. It had a fatha in the past tense, it comes back in the command, and it becomes
Akrim.
Yeah, so as you know, this kaf had a sukoon, but the alif in the hamza in the beginning with a fatha joins with the kaf and it becomes akrim. What does it become?
Akrim.
Akrim.
Yeah, because there's no need to bring hamzatul wasl because there is already the kaf joining to a hamza and you can recite it as akrim. So there's no hamzatul wasl. This is the original hamza which was dropped in the present tense. It comes back in the command and the command is akrim. Adkhala, yudkhilu, adkhil. Best example is Allahumma adkhil ala ahli al-qubur surur.
Yes.
So it becomes akrim, akrim, akrima, akrimu, akrimi, akrima, akrimna. Says Nazreen, Bismillah. Execute it, please.
Akrim, akrima, akrimu. Akrimi, akrima, akrimni.
Excellent, Sister Sajda.
Akrimu, akrima, akrimu, akrimi.
Yeah,
Am I
akrim,
going to?
akrima, akrimu. Yeah, start again.
Akrima,
Akrim. Start again. I didn't hear half of it. Akrim.
akrim, akrima, akrimu, akrimi, akrima, akrimna.
Excellent, Sister. Mahjubin.
Yeah, Akrim, Akrima, Akrimu, Akrimi, Akrima, Akrimna.
Excellent. Sister Narjis, I want you to do adkhil. Adkhil. Alif, dal, kha, lam. Adkhil.
أدخل 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 أدخلي أدخل أدخل أدخلنا.
Excellent. Next one, I'm going to the last student. I'm going to ask Asia. Asia,
Yes.
Bismillah. Akrim.
Akrim, akrim, akrima, akrimu, akrim, akrimi, akrima, akrimna.
Excellent. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. There's 10 of them I need to teach. These 16 patterns, 6 are the past tense, the 3-letter verb, and there are 10 for this. Once you know this 10, all of the Arabic verbs, pretty much 90% of them are circulated, 95% are within this 16 patterns. Once you know that, then we need to practice them, the different types of words, when the ones will have the wow, the ya, and so forth. You will then be able to understand pretty much all of the spectrum and all of the actual ocean of the Quran with regards to the verbs itself, inshallah. Okay, I want you to write this verb out, akrama, yukrimu, and the command on a piece of paper and send this as a voice recording to me. Please, I need you, because otherwise, if you don't do the homeworks, you will fall behind and you will find it difficult. Is that
Inshallah.
possible?
Sheikh, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
How are we going to go about the classes in Mahi Ramadan?
In Mahi Ramadan, I will either do the classes earlier, so whatever time it is, I'll do it earlier, maybe on the weekends, which make it easier for everyone, rather than Friday. I'll do it Saturday or Sunday, so that would be easier for everyone to join in itself.
Yeah, in the daytime, please, because
yeah.
we go to the mosque in the evenings, right?
That's right. Yeah. I'll keep it in the evening. Maybe Sunday will be probably better. Sundays, maybe about in the midday, about 2 o'clock
Yeah.
UK time.
Yeah, that
Yes,
would be
Aga,
good.
yes, that will be good.
So it'll be like 10 o'clock. I think 11 o'clock New York time.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay,
11.
Majbin?
Yeah, Aga, it's okay.
Okay. So inshallah, I'll do that on Sundays instead. Okay. So
And
please
Aga,
do
can
this.
you please send me the recording also, this class?
Yeah, I'll send it across after the class, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
No problem. So I'm not going to push you too much because each of them are, I'm going to give you ayat in the next session from the Quran so that you understand the 4-letter verb, and then I'll move to another one. The next one I'm going to move on is with a shadda, like tahara yutahiru tathir, sallama yusallimu taslim, nazzala yunazzilu tanzil. So the next one will have a shadda in the middle. Instead of having a letter in the beginning, it will have a shadda in the middle, which makes it a 4-letter verb. Whenever there's a shadda, it represents 2 letters. Okay?
So the homework is that akrama, the 14.
Yeah,
and
write the 14
akrim,
past,
the
present,
15,
and the command.
and the akrim, that is the 6, right?
Yes. That's the command. Okay?
Okay.
اللهم
Yeah.
صل على محمد